Everyone, today's exercise is morphological characteristics of okra. It is in continuation of exercise number 6. Okra is an upright annual herbaceous 3 to 8 feet tall plant with hibiscus like flower. It is a tropical direct sown vegetable with a duration of 90 to 100 days. The botanical features are as indicated below. Root. Okra plant has a deep tap root system. Stem. Its system is semi-woody and sometimes pigmented with a green or reddish tinges color. It is erect, variable in branching, with many short branches that are attached to thick semi-woody stem. The stem attains height from 3 feet in dwarf varieties to 7 or 8 feet in others. Leaves. The woody stem bear leaves that are lobed and are generally hairy, some reaching up to 12 inches in length. Leaves are cordate, that is heart-shaped, simple, usually palmately 3 to 7 lobed and bent. Leaves are subtended by a pair of narrow stipules. The okra leaf is a dark green in color and resembles a maple leaf. Flowers. The flowers are borne vertically only on the orthotropic axis every 2 or 3 days. The flower is axillary and solitary, borne on a peduncle 2 to 2.5 cm long. The flowers are large, around 2 inches in diameter, with 5 white to yellow petals with a red or purple spot at the base of each petal. Flower lasts only for a day. Each blossom develops a small green pod. The flowers are almost always bisexual and actinomorphic. The perianth consists of 5 valvate, distinct or basally connate sepals and 5 distinct petals that are usually basally attendant to the endoecium. The endoecium consists numerous monadelphous stamens with apically divergent filaments bearing one-celled anthers. The ganoecium is a single compound pistil of 2 to many carpels and equal number of styles or style branches and a superior ovary with 2 to many locules, each bearing 1 to numerous ovules. The calyx is completely fused to form a protective case for the floral bud and splits into lobes when the bud opens. The calyx, corolla and stamens are fused together at the base and fall off as one piece after anthesis. The erect sexual parts consist of a 5 to 9 part style, each part with a capitate stigma surrounded by the staminal tube bearing numerous filaments. The petals wilt in the afternoon and usually fall the following day. Fruit. The fruit is an elongated, conical or cylindrical capsule comprising for the most part 5 cavities containing ovules. The fruit is actually long, pod and generally ribbed, developing in the leaf axil and spineless in cultivated kinds. The fruit is normally yellowish green to green, but is sometimes purple or whitish green. The pods are the edible portion, which are harvested while still tender and immature. They grow rapidly into long 10 to 30 cm and narrow 1 to 4 cm pod with a tip that is either pointed like a beak or blunt. Now, the seeds. The okra fruit contains numerous oval, smooth, striated and dark green to dark brown seeds. Thank you for patient hearing.